why my computer is messing with me. All right, that'll be February 15th after you, and the little dog too, so go ahead. Okay, Chickaloo called in earlier. Chickaloo, you're looking for some yogurt, right?
I'm Therese, and this is Cody. After meeting in Fiji, we decided to continue living our lives together. With a love for the ocean, we upgraded and combined our shelters to a 40-foot sailboat and started exploring our options. While working, fighting, loving each other, and dreaming, we also managed to make a human. This is Millie Breeze, our little girl we hope to teach that life is simple if you let it. Subscribe and join us with the world at our keel. Yeah, you ready? So, turns out, what happened? I'll tell you what happened. We need to extend our stay, and we are in Hopetown right now. Thought there was immigration here. We didn't do research. That is a big fail. And now we have to go to Marsh Harbor by ferry. We tried to do it online, but they never got back to me and Millie, so... And Cody's is up as well, so we're just gonna go and get everything sorted for the storm tomorrow and make a day of it, I guess. So from Hopetown here, there is a ferry that runs across back and forth, and apparently you have to take a taxi from that landing spot and down into, it's like inland, like a 50-minute walk, so you can technically walk, I guess, too. But yeah, let's see how that all turns out, and hopefully we can get to test out Maxwell's as well, like the big supermarket there that everyone like fuzzes about so much. So let's see what the prices are and if we can actually do some shopping. We don't need much, but check it out either way. So Millie and me are officially legally in the country.
Yeah.
Applying online. If you're thinking about that, they don't really get back to you right away. It's been about a month and a half now, waiting for a reply. I applied twice too. So that doesn't really work, but it was seamless at the immigration office, so that's cool. And now we're walking to Maxwell's. See what the fuck's all about.
We got directions that
The guy thought it was very, very, very far to walk, so we'll see. Mission accomplished.
Pull it back. Good job. Bring it back to the boat. No, go back to the boat. What are you driving is in a circle.
Hopetown has it all. Grocery stores, liquor stores, church, playground, pool, bars, restaurants, bingo Thursday, bottomless, mimosa Sundays, trash disposal, and a beautiful beach stretching along the east side of Elbow Cay. Unfortunately, the hurricane that came through the Bahamas in 2019 did a lot of damage, and you can see the amount of work put in to rebuild what used to be. Still, some things will probably not come back, but there are marks that can't be erased. So as we were waiting for a storm to come in, we took an hour to explore and inhale some fresh air, hoping to maybe find some people along the way.
guys out there are feeling it.
What? You don't like the wind? You don't like the wind? Come on. Come on. Come on, let's work. Good job. You don't need two hands. Okay. This is what we're gonna do. Yeah, hold on tight. Let's see. It's a stormy day, huh? Yeah. This is just one of those days, but it's sunny too. It's wind and sun. The best thing ever, because we got solar. And Cody's pretty happy about that. So.
Great solar today, though.
Mm-hmm.
Look how much sand you brought back on the boat.
Yeah, we went to a bonfire yesterday, had a great time.
Look at all
Met
that
a bunch
sand.
of new people. So now, ooh, that's a gust. But yeah, so we brought some sand with us. We all got undressed in the cockpit last night.
Come here.
Because
Smells like
everything
bonfire.
smells like bonfire, which is obviously we're gonna clean that up here in a sec. But yeah, ooh, feel that, huh? That's breezy. That's breezy breeze. I just got told to go down here and cook, so I'll do that. But first of all, those of you who know me know that I don't really have like green fingers, like they say. Put some old plants in water, and you got yourself new cabbage and new green onions, which I'm very proud of. And it's thriving. My plants are thriving, babe. Thriving. Very happy about it. And yeah, back to cooking. Yeah.
I don't know the actual where it starts.
Yeah. Good morning. Uh-oh. Dad, leave me alone. It's early. Where are we going today? We're gonna go anchor?
Mm-mm. Get
Yeah.
outside the harbor.
Let's try to do that.
Yeah.
Oh, happy morning. Went to bingo last night, or jacks as they call it over here. Lost all the monies again. Yeah, oh yeah, it's coming back to you. Yeah, we didn't win. Yeah. Anyway, baked a bread this morning, and we're gonna have some breakfast before we head out. It's a beautiful day.
We need to do water as well.
Oh yeah, water, a little bit of laundry. Look at these two though. We are leaving hometown today for a little sail away with a bunch of cruisers here. Gonna go down to, don't even know the name, but I will put it on the screen. And we're gonna anchor out. It's about an hour sail maybe. Should be a fun one. It's an easterly wind here, so we'll be protected from swell. And yeah, gonna go have like a fun day. Someone's birthday too. I don't even know who it is. I think on someone named Jess. Maybe on Mahi, I think it is. And so yeah, we're gonna have a potluck and bonfire on the beach. And what else? I don't know. People talked about kites and all kinds of fun things. So I guess stay tuned.
Big shoal over here.
And as we set sail with our newfound friends, we were naturally, immediately in a race. We were out of the harbor with 2 other sailboats, both catamarans, and we had high hopes on bringing a little bit of competition. Fortunately, it's perfect weather for catamarans right now. No swell. At least we're sailing. In the end, we lost to both Lost and Regenero, but we ended up in a beautiful spot with beautiful people. About 3 years ago, I signed up for something called the Young Cruisers Association without really knowing what it was. Little did we know that half of the harbor in Hopetown were members, and as we randomly got invited to the bonfire on the beach the other day, we met them all. The founders, as well as a rad tribe of young cruisers. And now we could acquire a burgee and fly it high, knowing that this is what cruising should be all about. This is life, not retirement.